Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. There's nothing more annoying than falling asleep and then being woken up because your electric fence has been triggered due to branches touching it during a storm. The most important thing is to make sure that your electric fence stays clear all the time. If branches do touch it, it will be triggered. So it's important to inspect your electric fence at least twice a month. Clear any branches that may be touching your electric fence or may touch your electric fence during windy conditions. All you'll need is garden shears and a step ladder to clear all those pesky branches. Be sure to switch off your electric fence at the Energizer before starting any work or clearing branches around your electric fence.